Japan has vending machines everywhere. There's one vending machine for every 23 people in Japan, dispensing everything from snacks to umbrellas. With over 5.5 million vending machines, Japan has the highest number per capita in the world, selling items like underwear and fresh eggs. This is due to Japan's high-tech culture and convenience-based lifestyle, making vending machines a way of life. From bizarre items to everyday essentials, Japan's vending machines have become an integral part of the country's unique culture and daily life.